morning, children. A very good morning to all. Okay, everybody are safe, right? In the home and doing your homeworks, online videos, எல்லாம் பார்த்துட்டு ஒரே jolly busy-ஆ இருக்கீங்க இல்லையா? Okay, happy to see you all again. The fresh morning. So here I am going to sing the rhymes for you. Shall we sing a rhymes with two little birds? Okay, now we are going to sing a new rhymes. Two little bluebirds up in a tree built a nest for all to see. Along came the babies, 1, 2, 3. Now they all are a happy family. Everybody enjoyed the rhymes? Very good. Nice to see. Okay, keep practicing this. Okay, rhymes நல்லா இருந்துச்சா? எல்லாரும் கூடவே சேர்ந்து என் கூட சேர்ந்து பாடுறீங்களா? பாடலாமா இன்னொரு வாட்டி? Yes. Two little bluebirds up in a tree. Two little bluebirds up in a tree built a nest for all to see. Built a nest for all to see. They along came the babies. Along came the babies. 1, 2, 3. Now they all are a happy family. Okay, hope you enjoyed the rhymes, kids. Now shall we go into the class? Today we are going to see alphabet. Last class we saw G and H, right? Today we are going to see I and J. Let us see how to write the letters. Okay, let us go into the class. Okay kids, last class we saw G and H. So today we are going to see I and J, the next letter of G and H. See, this is capital I. This is small I. What is phonic sound for I? E. See, I, E, igloo. I, E, ice cream. I, E, ink. Now this is J. I, after I it is J. Capital J, small j. Capital J, small j. G. J, what is phonic sound for J? J. J, j, jug. J, j, jam. Everybody like jam, no? J, j, jam. J, j, jelly. So the phonic sound for I is E and J is J. Understood? Now shall we see how to write in the note? Yes? Okay. I have to write sleeping line on the red line. Next, standing line. You should touch the blue line. So in the line எழுதிட்டு இந்த half line ல இருந்து என்ன பண்ணனும்? You should write standing line. Then you have to write again the same blue line sleeping line. This is capital I. Again sleeping line, standing line and again sleeping line. Now this is capital I. We are going to see how to write small I. See, small I is very easy. On this only this two blue line you have to write one standing line, one dot. Standing line, one dot. That's all. This is small I. This is capital I and this is small I. Okay kids, shall we see how to write trace letter I? This is capital I and this is small I. See, this is capital I. I, E. What is phonic sound for I? E. Phonic sound for I? E. I, igloo. I, ink. E, ink. E, igloo. You first take a book, World of Letters, page number 28, and after opening a book, first you have to write the date. Now see, first we are going to see the strokes. For what strokes we'll use for letter I. So keep your pencil on the red dot. In the red dot இருக்கு இல்லீங்களா, அந்த red dot மேல தான் வெச்சு first start பண்ணனும். Standing line. You should see the arrow mark. And here sleeping line. So only these two strokes we are going to use to write letter I. Now see here, use different colors to trace the letter. Color the given pictures. you can use different types of colors. நிறைய கலர்ஸ் இருக்குல்ல உங்ககிட்ட, அது ஒவ்வொரு கலராக எடுத்து என்ன பண்ணலாம் நீங்கள். இங்கே ரெயின்போ கொடுத்துருக்காங்க பார்த்தீங்களா. ஸோ இந்த ரெயின்போவில் எத்தனை கலர்ஸ் இருக்குது, யூ ஹேவ் 7 நோ. ஸோ இந்த 7 கலர்ஸ்லையும் நீங்கள் யூஸ் பண்ணி you can practice the eye. Now for that, see here they gave you small red color dot இல்லையா. small red dot கொடுத்துருக்காங்களா, அங்கே நம்பர் 1 கொடுத்துருக்காங்களா, அங்கேருந்து தான் you should start writing sleeping line. Now again here they gave you 2, so the second step you have to start from here. See, standing line. Here they gave you 3, sleeping line. So this is letter capital I. What is phonics one for I? I ink, E ink, I E ink, I E igloo. You also color the igloo. Okay, இங்க கலர் பண்ண சொல்லி கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. So now small I. See, again take the pencil, start from the red dot, come down slowly, trace on the dots. அந்த dot மேலேயே வெளியே வராமல் trace பண்ணுங்க. One standing line, and again you have to keep one big dot on the red dot. So this is small I, this is capital I. Now color the balloons with the pictures that given with the letter I. இந்த picture வந்து I letterல start ஆகுதோ அந்த pictures, அந்த balloon நீங்க என்ன பண்ணணும், you have to color. Okay, now see next, the next page, write the date here, read, trace and write. Now I E ink, I E igloo, I E insect. ஸோ இங்கே ஐ பிக்சர்ஸ் எல்லாமே கொடுத்துருக்காங்க இல்லையா. ஸோ இப்போ நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம், we are going to do how to write I. See, keep your pencil on the red dot, write slowly sleeping line, standing line and again sleeping line. This is letter capital I. Understood? The same way you have to write in all the sessions. See, now we are going to see small I. For that, take page number 94. See, page number 94 எடுத்துக்கோங்க. இங்கே என்ன இருக்குது, small I மட்டும் இருக்குது. அந்த பேஜில் நம்ம capital I பார்த்தோம். Here they have given only small I. See, for that, read and trace the small case letter small I. Practice. Now see, here they gave, அங்கே எழுதி காமிச்சா அதே மாதிரி தான். Keep your pencil on the red dot. அந்த red dot மேலே வச்சு join the dots and trace it. Small I, standing line and a dot. This is the same way you have to complete this one. Okay, okay vakana எழுதிடுவீங்களா. Okay, now we are going to see letter J. For that, first write sleeping line on the top red line, again standing line and touch this blue line and give a curve. So sleeping line, standing line, and from the you have to touch the second blue line and from that line take a left down curve, or chinna curve madri left side. Okay, now again see, sleeping line, standing line and on the left side give one down curve. That's all. This is capital J. Now again small j, it is very easy. Listen, you have to start from the first blue line, standing line, left down curve. You have to touch the bottom red line. In the bottom red line touch பண்ணி இப்படி curve வரணும். அப்போ என்ன பண்ணணும், இங்கே ஒரு dot. Okay, this is small j. Again standing line, left down curve, dot. This is small j. Capital I, small I, capital J, small j. See, this is capital J, small j. What is phonics sound for J? J is a jam, J is a jug. So for J, you have to write first sleeping line, standing line and with a curve. Now this is capital J and this is small j. See, you should keep your finger on the red dot, standing line and downward left curve, and you have to keep a dot here. That's all. This is small j and this is capital J. What? See letter J. Take page number 74 in World of Letters book. Write the date. Date எழுதிக்கோங்க மறக்காம. Now we are going to see the strokes. See, எப்பயுமே எழுத்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணாலும் இங்கே ரெட் டாட் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க இல்லையா, அது மேலே வச்சு தான் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணணும். கீப் யூர் பென்சில் ஆன் த ரெட் டாட். ஸ்டாண்டிங் லைன், ஸ்லீப்பிங் லைன், this is right curve, sleeping line, standing line, right curve, sleeping line. So this three strokes only we are going to use for write letter J. The same way you can use the rainbow colors to trace. அப்போதான் வந்துட்டு என்ன ஆகும், உங்களுக்கு நல்லா ப்ராக்டிஸ் ஆகும். So you can also color this jelly. What is this? Jelly. What is phonics sound for J? J. J, J, jelly. J, J, jug. So the jelly jug color பண்ணாம இருக்காங்க இல்லையா, you can color it and you can enjoy it. Now see how to write letter J. Keep your pencil on the red dot. Follow the numbers. Sleeping line. இப்போ 1 கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. Next step என்ன? 2. Now see. Standing line and 1 downward left curve. ஓகேவா? அப்படியே curve மாதிரி இந்த arrow mark ஃபாலோ பண்ணி வரணும். ஓகேவா? Now this is capital J, J. Now small j. Keep your pencil on the red dot. Standing line. You should not take your hand and give a downward left curve. ஓகேவா? இந்த arrow mark வந்து stop பண்ணிடணும். So this is, and you have to keep a dot here on the red dot. This is small j. J, J, jug. J, J, jelly. Now see here they gave you some activity. Draw a line to lead the jeep to the pictures that begin with the letter J. So நீங்க என்ன பண்ணணும், you have to draw a line. What are the pictures starting from letter J? எந்த பிக்சர் எல்லாம் J ல ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுதோ அந்த லைன், அந்த பிக்சருக்கும் ஜீப்புக்கும் என்ன பண்ணணும், you have to draw a line. Will you all do? Good. Don't forget to put the date mark. கண்டிப்பா டேட் போடுங்க. ஓகேவா? Now see here they gave you separately to write J. J, J, jeep. J, J, jug. J, J, jam. J, J, jelly. Everybody like jam and jelly, no? Good. So now we are going to see how to write letter J. Here I have shown you how to write J. The same method you should follow here. இங்க dot மேல தான் pencil வச்சு start பண்ணி J எழுதணும். அதே மாதிரி எழுதி you have to complete this full page. ஓகேவா? Now we will see how to write small j. For that take page number 94. Way you have to write for all the j. எல்லா லைன்லயுமே என்ன பண்ணணும், நீங்க வந்துட்டு எழுதணும். எழுதுவீங்களா? Will you complete? Okay. You all understood kids? Okay. Keep practicing in your home. Noteலயே எழுதுங்க, bookலயே எழுதுங்க. ஓகேவா? Keep practicing, then only you will be getting thorough. Okay.